everyone, it's Kino here. Welcome to this yoga drills. This is going to be a quick dash of core, especially for you. And if you like this yoga drills class, head on over to omstars.com, which is my online channel, and we do 1 hour yoga drills there. Pretty cool. Come to a comfortable seated position. Let's close the eyes. Hands in prayer position, a long deep breath in. As you exhale, let's open the eyes. Okay, let's do it. We're going to immediately start off on the back because I think it's a great way to actually target the muscles of the abdomen. So just roll down, draw the knees in towards each other, and we're going to layer the abdominal cavity in. Think about your transverse abdominals, your internal obliques, and of course the front anterior chain of muscles around the front body. Let's hold on to the back of the head and then inhale, lift lightly up and hold. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Extend the arms, and we're going to touch side to side. Right hand to the right ankle, left hand to the left. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more, 10. Back to the center, cup the hands, hold 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's roll it down. Separate the knees for a moment. Let's do it again. Inhale, roll it up. Stabilize 2, 3, 4, and 5. Extend side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Cup and up. 2, 3, 4, and roll it down. Nice. Give the neck a moment to release over to one side, over to the other side, and that's good. Now, lift the legs, extending the legs, and then let's take the hands on the ground. We're going to roll the hips a little bit on top of the hands, and then we're going to practice those mini lifts, and we're going to use the forward fold for a little bit, and then we're going to stop using the forward fold. Let's do a little bit of both. Use your forward fold and up, and exhale down. 2 more like that. Use the forward fold, up, exhale down. Inhale, use the forward fold, up, touch, exhale down. Now, no, don't use the forward fold. Inhale, straight up, exhale down. I mean, there's a little. Inhale, up, exhale down. Inhale, up, exhale down. Now go back to the forward fold, roll, touch, exhale down. Good. Roll, touch, exhale down. One more. Roll, touch, exhale down. Then roll, lift it up, exhale down. So roll, no forward fold, up, straight up. One more, up, exhale down. Now, let's combine. Exhale, roll. Then, with the same strength of the up, extend the legs down. We can lift the head up and look at the feet. Then head down, inhale, roll, touch. Exhale, slowly down. We can lift the head, look at the feet. Inhale, roll through, forward bend, touch. Exhale, look at the feet. Inhale, roll, touch. Exhale, down, look at the feet. Stay there, 2, 3, 4. Head down, 2, 3, 4. Bring the legs up. Stay there. Release. Happy baby just for a moment. 3, 4, and 5. Reclining straddle, and arms up, and hold. 2, 3, 4. Little pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it there. 3, 4, and 5. Let's bring it down. Keep the legs just for a moment. Legs back together. Then, lightning bolt shape, bend the left knee, straighten the right leg. Reach up, hold. 2, 3, hold the shin bone. 4, 5, and switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and straight leg switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tuck the head. 5, and switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and switch. Last set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and switch. 1, 2, 3, almost there. 4, 5, inhale, head down. Exhale, bring both legs together. Hold on to the ankles, easy. Exhale, fold. Find your flexibility. If it's not there, it's okay. You can bend the knees, hold underneath the knees. It's all good. Easy does it. Nice. Then take the knees on the ground. We worked already very strongly. Then both knees drop to one side, just easy release. Bring it back to the center, easy release. Keep the knees over to the left side and roll all the way back up. Nice. I did a little quick core activation. Sometimes that's all you need. It doesn't need to be long to be effective, but what we need is consistency. So take a moment, close the eyes, tune into all the muscles that were worked today, what challenge you met, whether strength or flexibility. Make the commitment to keep coming back to the practice, letting the little drills that we do inform or be our practice for the day. Hands come together, a long, deep breath in. As you exhale, softly open the eyes. Thank you so much for joining me on this practice. May be happy, may be peaceful, may be filled with love.